Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala Social Science, Grade 7 Geography. Our topic is our changing earth. Our topic is our changing earth. In last previous video lecture we have seen about the endogenic force. Endogenic force means the force from the inside of the earth, how that force affect the things and what things happens because of the endogenic force. Volcanoes are there, earthquakes are there. These type of things are because of the endogenic force. The force is creating from inside of the earth crust. Now we are going to see about the exogenic force, exogenic force or exogenous force. It refers to the external phenomena that occurs on the above the earth's surface. It refers to the external phenomena means from the outer side of the earth some force is working. The main elements of exogenic forces are air and water. Main element of exogenic forces are air and water. Because of air and water, maximum effect of endogenic force is there. Which factors do the endogenic force? कौन से factors से endogenic force होता है? In that the main factors are air and water. See, waterfall. Waterfall are often found when the layer of harder rocks overlays of softer rock. Now in the endogenic force, we have seen some of the things, but now in exogenic force, the landscape being continuously worn out by the process of weathering and erosion, and the eroded material is carried away or transported by water, wind, etc. See, weathering and erosion is there, and those things are transported by water and soil, eventually and deposited. This process of erosion and deposition created landforms. Because of this only the landforms are created. सॉइल इरोजन यू आर नोइंग दैट जो सॉइल होती है वो विंड के साथ चली जाती है, वाटर के साथ चली जाती है, कोई दूसरी जगह पे डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली न्यू लैंडस्केप्स आर देयर. So now what, how the work of river, how the river is there, waterfall is there. Waterfall are often formed where a layer of a harder rock overlays the layer of softer rock. See, down in figure also you can see down the soft rock is there and upper side the hard rock is there. After that, as the river passes over the soft rocks, it is able to erode it and at a faster rate, forming a step in the river bed. See, down the rock are soft. So continuously water is passing and it is creating, erode the things and forming a step type. बिकॉज द सॉफ्ट रॉक इज देयर, नीचे सॉफ्ट रॉक है तो सॉफ्ट रॉक पानी से जल्दी से इरोड हो जाता है एंड इट मेक्स अ स्टेप टाइप. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, द फोर्स hydraulic action does two things. Further erosion makes plunge pool and notch bigger over time. See, further erosion, continuous water जाने के बाद this type of shape it is created. प्लंज पुल मीन्स हियर, यहाँ पे पुल जैसा बन गया, जैसे कंटिन्यूस वाटर जा रहा था, वॉट एवर द कंटिन्यूएशन इज वॉज देयर, इट वॉज ब्रोकन एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ पुल इज मेड. The process of erosion continue, further eroding out the notch and plunges pool. Eventually, the harder rock above will collapse again, meaning that the waterfall will retreat upstream over time. Sorry. Why do river curves? River curves means rivers, always we are saying rivers are not going straight, rivers are curves. So rivers cause change on the surface area which is it flows. See, rivers are flowing but rivers are making the change in surface area. Rivers are making the change in surface area. Meanders, it is a snaking pattern of water stream formed by alternatively eroding sediments from the outside of a bend and depositing them on the inside. See, snaking pattern, this type of snake type pattern is there. Why it is this type of patterns are? Because the alternative eroding sediments from outside. Again and again outside the eroding is the river की side पे से again and again eroding होता है and deposited them in the inside. After that, Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake is there. An oxbow lake is a U-shaped body of water that forms when wide meander from the main stream of river is cut off. See, wide part of the river is cut off and creating free standing body water and creating a free standing body water. एक बड़ा पार्ट रिवर में से निकल के अलग हो जाता है और सेपरेट बन जाता है एक वाटर बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्स बाव. दिस लैंडफॉर्म इज सो नेम फॉर इट्स डिस्ट्रिक्टिव काउड शेप, means the cow shape is there, because of that it is known as ox bow leg, resembling the bow pin of an resembling a bow pin of an ox bow. Bow pin of an ox bow is like this. So because of this type of things are created. Means certain part from the river is eroded and create a freestanding body water. सेपरेट बॉडी वाटर बन जाता है एंड उसका शेप ऐसा होने की वजह से उसको बोलते हैं ऑक्स बाउल लेग. आफ्टर दैट फ्लड प्लेन्स. A flood plains is generally flat area of land next to the river or stream. It stretches from the banks of the river to the outer edge of the valley. Flood plains are natural flooding outlets of river. Flood plains means what is the thing? See, the width of the river is there. रिवर की एक विथ होती है और जब फ्लड आता है, व्हेन द फ्लड इज देयर, वो मैक्सिमम वाटर इज देयर, सो विथ इज इंक्रीजिंग. रिवर की विथ बढ़ जाती है, इंक्रीज हो जाती है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल द सेंडिमेंट वॉट एवर द रिवर इज ब्रिंगिंग, इट इज डिपोजिटेड ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ द रिवर. व्हेन द फ्लड इज नॉट देयर, आफ्टर द फ्लड चले जाने के बाद वापस रिवर की विथ अपनी जो ओरिजिनल होती है वो छोटी हो जाती है. एंड the area, extended area, there the sediments are there. This area is known as the flood plain. Thank you. See, now we have seen about the exogenous force. So that force is working from outside, not inside from the earth. Exogenous force is there. The main element of exogenous force is wind and water, and because of that force the river is there. From the river Oxbow Lake is there, flood plains are there, different landforms are there, because air and weathering and erosion is continuous on the land. Weathering and erosion is continuously working on the land, that this is happening continuously. And weathering and erosion, because of weathering and erosion the sediments are taken away. Because of the weathering and erosion the sediments are taken away and it is deposited at different places, and because of that different type of landforms are also there. Some of the further things we will see in our next video lecture. Basically the things like that, sea waves are working, ice is there, winds are there, all other things, how the things are in desert area, all other things we will see in our next video lecture. Thank you.